Check. Welcome, and in today's episode, I'm gonna show you a few coins, including DOT, because DOT is looking bullish. Okay, I know it's falling, but it's looking bullish. And another coin, which is visible on our volumens at Morales. So watch out. Today is gonna be very quick, and I will summarize what you have to observe for the next 3 months or 2 months or whatever, 5 months, before the Black Swan event could happen. Okay, so let's go. Hello everyone, welcome at Crypto Bear Trap. My name is Matthew and let's go. So everything I'm gonna say here is non-financial advice. It is only my opinion, so don't be too kind to buy whatever I'm gonna say, because you are taking your own fate in your own hands, okay? So let's go very quick. Before we're gonna go, remember, for the next couple of months, observe yield from two yearly government bonds. Okay, first the yield is going down, then observe federal funding rate, so Fed funds. If yield from 2 yearly bonds are going down, then the Fed decides to go down as well, okay, with the rates. Look, now we don't have this. And then once these two goes down, we can see that the stocks is going down, stocks going down. But before it will happen, okay, since the last, let's say 15 years, we had actually nothing, so 20, 25 years, we had a first, maybe a different color, increase in stocks, and then fall. So now everyone says that watch out, because we're gonna have this, we're gonna have that. Hold on. First observe US02. Then if you're gonna see that it is printing lower lows, lower highs, then we're gonna observe that if magic situation, Fed will tell, oh, economy is bad, we have to help, and so on and so on. And then we can see that it's gonna happen. Why? Because if federal funding rate is at the 5.3, 5.5 level, yeah, I think it's 5.5. I don't know why it says 1.5.3. It means that whatever you're gonna do with your money, if you're gonna park this at federal funding rate, you've been given 5.5%. However, at the moment, yield from bonds gives you 5% for 2 yearly. Okay, we can see what others are showing us. 1 second. We can see the others, 2 years. 3 monthly give us 5.5%, okay? 10 US 10 yearly, 4.5%. 30 years, 4.7%. So something is not right? Something is right. Why you gonna buy the bonds if you can put everything on the federal funding rate? So watch out on these. Let's go now. Let's move to Bitcoin very quickly. We have announced now impulse to the downside, and I think it's going to be around 26,000, okay, or we're going to have a stop now like this, and then a little up, and then we're going to end up at 26. I think it's going to be one of these two, because we bypassed this 0B formation, which now shows that our correction is broken. So we came from this side, we had a correction, and as we know, the correction is negative it's different, it's against the move, and now we are continue this move. So to your portfolio, add to favorites block bank could be very big, we were speaking about the block bank when the block bank was around 3, not even 3 cents, it was actually 0.003. Now it's 1.7 cent. I think it could go down to about 1 cent, and then I would load my back. I think it may happen. I think if not, we will see the sideways move, which will then keep me in the loop that it could explode and we could get something, but I don't think so. The market now is not ready for something like this. What else we have? Illuvium. Watch out for Illuvium. Illuvium is on our volume at the 8th place since last 4 days. If we're going to take a look at 2 days, look what's going to be the buy pressure. The buy pressure will be, one moment. The buy pressure, look, Illuvium is in a 4th place. Wow. So from these setups that I'm looking now, I would say that Illuvium has a good chance to actually go up here. We have a request network alarm. Nice. 1 second, in a few moments we will see. So we could see here a nice run up. If this is A, B, C correction, and now we have a kind of 1, 2. Okay, that's good to go. If we have finished the sideways correction here, complex correction, it could end up here. Now I would like to see the move down, but if we have so much buy pressure, if we're gonna bypass this swing failure pattern, all this will be like a double bottom, like a bird traps here, and I will expect it's gonna go to $50. So watch out, okay, watch out. This is one of the coins that, you know, it has another support here on the on-chain. And if we're gonna take a look, here at the if we're gonna take a look at sentiment, look, we're gonna Illuvium. Look, Illuvium has a lift in daily active addresses. Okay, holders are going up straight away. Development maybe not, but the social is starting to lifting. Like you see this yellow and this kind of whatever red, kind of whitish red, it's going upside. So having this information that also buy pressure is there, well, I could put something like this. Another one. So it means long, yeah, long. Another one is a Polkadot. Polkadot price, this green one, is falling down. However, development is going up and social is going up. So development here, okay, was really up, and now social is kind of confirmed that the social dominance is going up. So I'm going to read you one news in a few moments about the Polkadot, and you will see that that's why this social behavior is going up, means that Polkadot could reverse. And let's take a look at Polkadot. Polkadot is falling now apart. Look. So I think this is a WXY pattern, where we have a ABC, that's W, ABC, that's X, ABC, okay, B, and now C, okay, which is Y. So here we are falling, and we could fall to around $3.50. Once I'm gonna see the $3.50, I will lower down the time frame to, let's say, 2 hours. Okay, we're gonna remove everything here. We will see that this movement here should have divergence right now, and this is my point. This is my point. This here is my point that I would open my first position here. These triangles usually break to the downside, but I already see the divergence on 2 hourly, so it could finish this and I could start something like this. Okay, so 1/5 of my position now is here, and if it's gonna go down like this and you didn't catch this thing, take it easy, because it's gonna revert slightly, and then it's a point to catch, and then we could have a reversal. Okay, so that's the second point. Illuvium and DOT. Illuvium and DOT. Now let's take a go to the news. Okay, so let's go to the news. Paul Tudor Jones, let's finish the DOT. So Chico Crypto says Polkadot version 2 is on horizon. DOT will surge back into top 10 coins by market cap. Now, I am not interested to hold the DOT because there are already many coins that gonna have a higher percentage of gains if they will survive. So I'm gonna bet on some risky coins, which they are giving me 100x's or maybe even a 500x's that I am showing them over almost every time. And I will show you one coin in just a few moments that didn't fail, and there is a huge competition there with increased volume. I used to show this coin to you yesterday. Okay, so Polkadot, thanks to the cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset, okay, not just the tokens, could be brought into top 10 coins. And this is very important information because I see that there is a trend here on horizon. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit more in just a few moments. First, let's go here. Paul Tudor Jones says, you could get a world war cascade where everyone gets involved. Ooh, you remember our history about yield from 2-yearly bonds and federal funding rate and S&P? Well, guess what? Everything now is set around these dates. It's like narrowing. That's not a coincidence. Like that's not coincidence. Like we are getting here. Like the news, the dates that we were operating since last few months, showing that this episode, this time frame where we are now, like looks like something gonna happen. And at the moment, we know what to observe. So everyone is counting, oh, it's gonna go down. I don't think so. It's gonna go down now. First, we have to see this yield because they will know. What I'm saying is that Paul Tudor Jones says before in 2020 that the big illness is coming. Yeah, it is coming. Nobody knew how big it was. They knew. So these people are in federal funding rate, federal funds. They keep this money in the facility. So they're going to be told, hey, listen, guys, move away from your money because we're going to lower the rates. Okay. So they're going into bonds and then into stocks and then into crypto. That's how we're going to see yield from 2-yearly bonds going to go down. That's the way. So he's talking about this like in a 2020, 2 months, I think, before kind of illness happened. Yeah. I'm not going to say the words because they could kind of ban me or whatsoever. So let's go to the media. You see the drop tabs and we see, look, that's all crypto. That's actually good. I'm using this website now. Look, we have a normal classification of coins and we have, let's say, sorted by full diluted evaluation. And look, we have a world coin is number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where normally it's 154. Yeah, so it is different story. I would say that these coins which have a good value locked inside, full diluted evaluation, so it's value locked inside, will have a good performance in the future. Okay, crypto bubbles, nothing changed here. Or we can take a look. Request network. Tomo is also looking good. If you look for Tomo likes to pump. Wait till Tomo will fall to 1.5 or $1.9. Okay, $1.9, and then we could see how it is going. So request network now, it's still pumping. Nice bit of pump again. It's too late now. That was my alarm here. So that's a double bottom, nice cup and handle and up. I'm looking to actually short that coin, but I have to wait till it's gonna get weaker. Okay, this is the funny story. Okay, IMF defends UK's governmental or UK's bank or whatever, UK's economy assessment that it's gloomy. So IMF is defending this, that no, it's not so bad. No, it's not so bad. At the end, okay, Bank of England rates could peak at 6% and stay around 5% until 2028. Rates are at the moment at 5.25. So think only, UK is aware that the UK's economy is falling, so they have to lower rates. However, the G7 says, no, hey, everything is okay. Hey, everything is fine. It's cool. You shouldn't do it. So I don't know what's the business is inside. They want to gloom UK. I don't know. I don't understand this. Like it's someone is playing here to a different gate. This is big one. BlackRock's leverage JP Morgan's new blockchain tools for instant collateral settlement with bracelets. So JP Morgan has said that technology has the potential to enhance efficiency by unlocking capital use for collateral, for use as a collateral in ongoing transactions. It says here, BlackRock used tokenized shares from one of its, take a look at this one. BlackRock used tokenized shares from its own money market fund, okay, as collateral in derivatives transaction with Barclays. So I like it's buying your, like it's the derivatives, like once something will fall, it's going to have a cascade liquidations. I don't know. So anyway, they plan to support assets to include equities and fixed income. They want to have a wider spread adoption of instant borrowing and backing up collateral with existing different assets. For me, this information is that something big is happening and they are securing themselves in case of the cascade liquidation of derivatives will fall. And they are mentioning here at the end that something similar, the new kind of fast and cross-border, cross-platform payment is supporting SWIFT via Chainlink. So what this means to me is that they are preparing for a huge liquidity, and I think it's going to be support for real world assets. That's what's going to happen, real world assets. So the thing is coming 2024. And the last message, Immutable, so Immutable X, the platform, and Amazon Go all in, and Amazon Go all into cloud gaming next evolution. So this is what I was saying to you. Partnership will focus to creating one-stop shop for Web3 gaming developers. It's like Web3 gaming is big, like NGL that we showed last few days ago, pumped nice, yeah? But there are a few other games which they have products and they didn't pump yet. I have to just take a look, have to play in these games just to see if they are right. And I'm gonna show you them here. The potential of these games is like 100x as well, because they have a low market caps. So that's it for today. Take care, leave a like, share maybe, and goodbye. See you tomorrow.